Hi, welcome to the Amoretti kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make Swiss buttercream. Our artisan line works well for cold applications, so any flavor will add a beautiful color and texture to buttercream. All right, so the first thing I'm going to do is to mix the egg whites. This is about a cup of egg whites in here and 1.5 cups of sugar. So I'm going to combine them before I put them on the double boiler. So I'm going to heat this to 120 degrees Fahrenheit, 55 centigrade, and once it comes to temperature, put it in the mixer and I will mix it until it's cool before I add the butter. Looks great. Okay, so now you have beautiful buttercream ready for your cakes or your cupcakes. This is a really nice, smooth buttercream, very stable, and it's ready for flavoring or coloring. And it was that easy. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to our channel and our newsletter. We want to keep you updated on all of our discounts, our promos, and of course our giveaways. You can reach out to us on social media, on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. See you next time.